Click on the link below to get price. The 1,500 square foot dehumidifier is an exceptional solution for anyone looking to manage moisture levels in their home, particularly in areas like basements, bathrooms, and bedrooms. With a capacity to cover up to 1,500 square feet, this dehumidifier is powerful enough to tackle excess humidity in larger spaces, making it a versatile addition to any household. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its 1.8L water tank. This relatively large capacity means it can hold a significant amount of water before needing to be emptied. In less humid conditions, it can run for several days without interruption, which is incredibly convenient for busy households. The automatic shutoff feature is another great addition, ensuring that the unit turns off when the tank is full to prevent overflow. The design is sleek and modern, allowing it to blend seamlessly into various home decors. It's compact enough to fit in tight corners or small spaces, which is particularly useful in basements or bathrooms. Noise is often a concern with dehumidifiers, but this model operates quietly, making it suitable for use in bedrooms without disrupting sleep. Setting up the dehumidifier is straightforward, with easy-to-follow instructions that allow you to get it up and running in no time. The user interface is intuitive, featuring simple controls that allow you to adjust settings according to your needs. Additionally, the energy efficiency of this model is commendable, helping to keep electricity bills in check while providing effective moisture control. Performance-wise, this dehumidifier excels in reducing humidity levels, preventing mold growth, and improving air quality. After using it for a few weeks, noticeable improvements were observed in the overall atmosphere of the home. Overall, this 1,500 square foot dehumidifier is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly product that addresses the common issues associated with high humidity, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner.